Hello. Ayoko, sa bus na lang ako mag-i-intro. Kasama ko si Errol! Yay!
May counter natin doon. Kasi we are a movement, guys.
Hello guys, hindi ako makapag-intro dahil nahihiya ako. Bye. Mamaya na lang.
Alam ko, di ba yung parang di expected na friend mo lang yung ano?
Oo. Diba grabe, nagulat ako.
Ano yung binigay marshmallow? O flower
Hindi,
na?
flower.
Kasi sinabi mo flower.
Ay, mag-what marshmallow?
Okay. Grabe naman yung kaibigan mo. Ang ganda ng plano nila. Like, pwede na siya parang siya.
Pero, sino siya? In real life?
Sino nga ba?
What if? Uy, joke lang.
Hindi, malay.
Hindi pa rin kita. Basta wala ng signal. It's giving nature vibes.
Magic.
Ano eh?
Ewan ko.
Nandito na kami sa MMRA. Hello, we're here na. Nasa MMRC na kami. Ang bigat ng bag ko. Hello guys. So, nandito na kami sa... Okay, nandito na kami sa MMRC and meron kaming ganito.
Kit.
Meron kaming kit.
And
Thank
naman
you.
yun is ID and pen.
Ay, oo nga, may ID din.
And paper.
Ayan. Yung ID, it's me! Yeah. So, this is gonna be the 5th entry ng Maya Diary. So, yeah. Punta na kami ng Zion Hall. Dahil may session 1. Yun yung gagawin namin ngayon. And binabalang namin yung gamit namin. So, ito na. Nakapag-intro na ako sa wakas. Ayun na. Ay, doon, akit pala tayo. So, akit ka pala kami. Kaya, dito na kami. So, welcome again to my channel. Uy, oy. Kaya, akit na kami. Girl, ang ganda dito. Like, super ganda.
Like it's giving
The
province vibes.
so many vibes.
More than anything.
Kaya, mag-session 1 na kami. Bye!
Thank you so much.
Thank you pa. Inaantok ako.
Antok na siya.
Puro ganito lang ginagawa namin kasi nahihiya ako magsalit. Ayun, nag-aantay na kami na mag-start yung session 1.
Waiting for
Yeah.
session 1 is
Ay, ang cute ng ID.
so. Let's unbox. Unzip. Ayoko na nga. Sorry.
Hi, Bao! Hello. Hi, Pop. Nag-vlog po ako. Hi, guys.
The aroma.
Yeah.
So wala siyang kape kasi.
Oo, hindi ko iniinom. Dahil yun yung ano. But anyways, ayan, kasama ko si Errol. Dahil, wala. Siya lang naman yung pwede kong kasama.
True.
Pero ayun, nag-wait na kami kung mag-start na yung session 1.
Ano ba?
Kasi anong
Anong
oras
oras na ba? 9:14 pero sabi dito 9:30.
9:30 pa yung start ng session 1. So, Wala, nandito pa kami. And yun yung ID, ang cute. Ay, yan. Guys, ang ganda dito. Like, hindi ko na kaya. Wait lang, papakita ko.
Pero ang lakas pa rin Ate Ai, ha? Totoo yan. Grabe. Let me hear naman from Hub 3, Commonwealth, Fairview, Payatas,
And what you will do is, i-list nyo kung alin dyan.
Ate Ai, di ba yung mga pulirma dyan? Bigla na lang kaya kinuha ng Pili, di ba? O di ba kinuha ng Pili?
And He answers the prayer of those who are humble before Him, those who seek Him. Now again, my question, are you ready to experience Jesus today? Again, are you ready?
Kumbaga, hindi na to bago sa atin. We know this, but you know, nagiging cliche siya because may tinatawag na ad fatigue. Are you familiar with that? From loving us.
You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is.
Rock, truth!
Wanna stay, take a leap.
Grabe, daming energy. Actually, ini-expect ko, kapag tapos man ang halian, it's about the two sons. One is yung tao na inadmit niya na talagang wala na siyang pag-asa, wala na siyang pupuntahan pa, kundi bumalik sa Ama. And isa, yung feeling niya, okay na okay siya.
Now that I'm yours and you are mine, you are my one thing, you are my one thing.
Namin yung session 1 and 2. And wala, I just really felt so many things today. And I wanna like i-document ko like how the Lord revealed to me things, then how He talked to me, how I encountered Him. Right now I'm here again, and I'm gonna be reading the Bible. Ayun, umuulan, kaya ako nakapayong and hindi maganda yung lighting. But I hope naririnig niyo din ako kasi medyo nahiya ako mag-vlog. And like, hindi ako nag-vlog sa room namin and I haven't seen a room kasi nahihiya ako mag-vlog. And yeah, just watch me do it. I'm gonna leave you guys anywhere. Yeah. But yeah, I hope today will be good and all that stuff. And pala, I'll be back later ng dinner. Like right now, it's like free time. The session day and then lights out na. So like that's what we're doing today. Yeah, but like I'm super blessed na nandito ako sa MMRC. It's like a beautiful place to be. And especially here in the Prairie Garden, like wait, I'm gonna show you kung asan ako ngayon. Like how it looks like. Wait lang. Alright. Hala, grabe yung ulan.
Tinatangay ako, guys!
Ay,
Guys, tinatangay ako!
Do I make it look easy? Being on edge all the time. I need you to need me.
Ayan, blessed evening, guys. Kamusta ba ang inyong dinner at free
Ayan,
time?
oo, kamusta?
Ayan,
Kamusta
diba?
ba yung
Kasi sa thumbs
dinner! Masaya ba yung dinner? Masaya!
Cross. So I don't know, when you think about the cross, what's the first thing that you think about? Ano yung una mong naiisip when you say and when you hear the word cross? And again, yung pako na ginamit, mga around 5 to 7 inches ganito kahaba.
I'll try it all day. Tell your eyebrows point to your jawbone in just the right way. If you made a mistake, you can come back for it.
So, gabi na. At na-night walk kami. Punta kami sa prayer garden. Kasama ko si Aaron.
Yeah.
Sleep!
Naisipan namin kasi malapit na mag-11, mag-lights out na.
Ngayon, it's night. Ano yun?
Maybe it's a cow.
Amo. It's a moo.
It's a cow.
It's a cow.
From
Nandito kami. It's gabi na. And nag-night walk kami. At pupunta kami ng prayer garden. Ayan. Kaso it's like pitch black.
prayer garden.
Like gabi na kasi. Pero wala, maglalakad lang kami. And may cafe dito. Bukas, punta kami dito.
Natry.
Pabalik na kami sa aming respective rooms. Kasi 11 yung lights out. Hala, mayroon atang signal
Kailangan
dito.
niya pang
May signal dito.
Oh, wait na mag-upload ako.
Okay, mag-chat muna tayo sa ating mga parents dahil may signal.
At yung daan ko na.
Ang dilim, girl. Pero like, yeah. Kasi 11 yung lights out. And it's, anong oras na? 10.
It's 10:19.
10:19 na. So like, kailangan ko na rin
Ako mag-upload.
umakyat sa taas dahil mag-ready pa ako for bed. Yeah. So, ayun. Yeah, so, ayun na. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys. Like, pag-gising.
NDRRMC.
Yeah, bye-bye, guys.
Morning sa Sambal.
I'm such a tryhard.